I have to be honest, I'm not always that disciplined on my healthy habits, but this is one that's really helpful, so I'm trying to bring it back. Which is meal prep. So it's Sunday night and I'm making my food for the next couple of days. So this is what I'm going to have for lunch. And I found this really useful for a couple of reasons. First of all, when you're trying to create any kind of positive habit, you've got to make it easy for yourself. You know, if you rely on discipline, then it's going to fail, in my experience anyway. So discipline is overrated. Making it easier for yourself and tricking yourself is easy. So what I tend to do is I've just cook myself some chicken thighs and like a ratatouille type thing. So just throwing a load of vegetables together basically with some spices. So this is going to be lunch for me for the next 2 or 3 days. So this works for me for a couple of reasons. First of all, I always go down the convenience route if I don't plan. So if I don't take this to work, I'm going to end up at Greggs, right? Nothing wrong with Greggs, but it turns out 4 sausage rolls and a tuna baguette and a triple chocolate donut apparently is not champion food. And even though it tastes good at the time, I just end up feeling really tired in the afternoon and that kind of thing. Or I end up in Subway again. So these are all foods that I like, but if I eat them regularly, I just don't feel that great. So I'm going to make it easy for myself by basically preparing what I want to eat. So it's very healthy, very nutritious, but also there's another reason, and that's it makes it much easier to track what you're eating when you've cooked it yourself. And why would you track what you're eating? Well, for me personally, was to make sure that I get like a healthy lots of nutrients and I eat healthily because it helps me feel better. But also I find it really good for weight control. You know, so I've worked out how many calories I need in a day. Generally it's 2,300. So if I hit around that target, then my weight maintains and I'm pretty fine. If I'm feeling a bit porky, I've been overindulging a bit and I just want to drop a few pounds, then I just cut 500 off that. So I'll just eat 1,800, not every day, but maybe 2 or 3 days a week. If I've been exercising really hard, I haven't been to the gym recently because they're all closed, but if I've been lifting a lot of heavy weights, for example, I might want a few more calories, so we'll increase it by 500 that day. So I use an app called MyFitnessPal, I'll put it in the description. Really good, really easy for tracking calories, and I find that the easiest way to maintain a healthy weight and to lose weight quickly if I need to. So I thought I'd share that with you. This is what I'm up to at the moment on Sunday evening. This is my evening of good intentions, and hopefully it's going to help me feel more energetic tomorrow than I would if I just ate a load of sandwiches, basically. Do you do this? Do you prep any meals, or do you have any habits or anything that you find helps to kind of trick yourself into healthy habits? Love to know. If you've got any questions, stick them in the comments. See you soon.